Welcome to the 4th episode of Gardening Tips with Yuri for Gardena. In this episode, I'm going to be trying my hand at Topiaries for the first time, and then finishing off some grass edges with the new Gardena Battery Grass and Shrub Shears. Gardena has brought back their awesome battery-powered grass and shrub shears with a more powerful, low-maintenance battery and ergonomic body design. The set comes with 2 precision ground, non-stick coated sets of blades, one for shrubs and topiaries and the other for the edges of your lawn. A great design feature is the swivelable handle. It really takes the stress off my wrist when I adapt the cutting angle for different tasks. The battery charges up quickly and gives me a whopping 80 minutes of cordless runtime, and the LEDs on the shears tell me how much battery life I have left. It's surprisingly lightweight too at 600 grams, considering what it achieves. So the first test was to head over to my neighbor's house, who has amazing bushes, shrubs, and topiaries, to see what she thought of it. Her old shears from another brand had recently broke, so she was looking for something new to try, and she absolutely loved this tool. It worked great for every situation that she tried it in. It was very lightweight and easy for her to use, and she told me that she'll be ordering one right away. That's how much she loved it. The next step was for me to try the grass trimmer on some hard to reach areas around the sandbox and around certain edges where the weed whacker might cause some damage. It worked so well that I caught myself accidentally trying to do the edging around the whole property. And lastly, it was my turn to try my hand at topiaries for the first time. My neighbor had some spherical bushes that he needed sphericaled up, and I managed to actually do a really good job on them, I think. Here's the before, and here's the after. It was very easy to use, very easy to get to every angle. My wrist didn't hurt at the end of it, and I think I did a pretty good job for my first time. My neighbor absolutely loved this tool. The grass attachment was great for getting into some tricky spots, and you can do just as good of a job yourself when you use Gardena tools to realize your gardening dreams.